Hello everyone, hope you all guys doing very well. Today I will share something about Chevrolet Equinox. I don't know how to pronounce it, so forgive me about this. So on this vehicle, the vehicle is the engine is vibrating. You can say engine is missing. So this customer went too many places, spent too much money. Then he come to me when I check with computer, what I found is the cylinder one injector control circuit, which means the injector on cylinder one maybe wiring on injector, or maybe the bad injector. Then I ask customer, you have bad injector, so we have to open the injectors and we will diagnose is it wiring or injector. So the customer told me, maybe I replace the LCD, aftermarket LCD. Maybe this is causing the issue. So some of the customers do like this, and like this we as a mechanic get confused. So I request you all customers, don't do like this. Please listen to mechanic what he is trying to inform you, try to give you knowledge. Not all customers, but some of them do this thing. So he forced me to check LCD. If the LCD is causing the issue with the injector, I told him again and again, no, LCD don't cause any issue to the injector circuit. So after that, I removed the injectors from the engine. So this one is wiring for injector number one. So I already checked the wiring, but if you are mechanic, then you can cut this and you can check the wiring. And if any of car owner watching this video, and you went to the mechanic and he diagnosed, and you found injector 1 or injector 2 or injector 3, any of the injectors, you can ask the mechanic, please check the wiring before you replace injector. So this is very informative for car owners and for mechanics. So I will show you how I diagnose injector before buying one. Okay, I will share with you. So the injector on this vehicle is located on, as you can see, on this area. So this is the injectors, 4 of them. So once I remove the injectors, I will show you how you can check if this is bad injector or not before you buy one, because we all know parts are very expensive, so we don't need to spend money before check any part. So I will show how you can check injector before. You don't need any special equipment to check injector, or any injector cleaning machine. You can check by multimeter. So I will show you once I remove the injectors. So this is the injector. I remove it from the vehicle. Now our professional technician will show you how you can diagnose this injector with multimeter before you buying one. Please introduce yourself.
I'm not going to introduce myself.
Okay.
So he is connecting two wires. You can check directly, but this will be easy. So there should be connectivity between two terminals.
there should be some connectivity between two terminals, but there is no connectivity, so which means this injector is dead. So this is how you can check injector with multimeter. Thank you so much. So I decided to show you the other injector on same vehicle so you can compare the result. This is how this should work. This is the connectivity between two terminals. So this is how you can check bad injector. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel.
And you also have to look for these holes. Any dirt, any particle of sand, anything, don't go inside this, because it's a filter inside and it will choke easily. So I have rubber caps, like you see. Put a rubber cap on each one, so it should be safe. And the hole where you put the injector out, this is a 8 mm bolt. Just throw it inside.
So nothing will go in
inside.
the
And
inside
I can
piston.
pull this out with a magnet.